love. So today we're going to talk about Boxy Charm. We're going to do a Boxy Charm unboxing. If you guys don't know what Boxy Charm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size products, sometimes more. It's pricey. And the product value in here, it's $21, but the product value is always over $100. So you usually get about $100 extra in product over that $21 a month subscription. So if you guys want to subscribe to Boxy Charm, I do have an affiliate link down below. Again, it's an affiliate link, so use it if you would like to, but it does let them know that I sent you. I continue to work with Boxy Charm because I really do believe in what they're doing. I just feel like this is such an amazing deal. And especially for someone like me who is going to try and spend a lot less money soon, this is just such a great way. $21 a month, you get to try all these new full-size products. And what I love about this too is like whenever I find something isn't really for me, I've been able to gift so many products. And so one of you guys left that comment down below where you're like, I love that I can just hoard whatever products I don't really want or don't really love, and I can gift them for birthdays or Christmas or whatever. Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. So let's jump into this month's box. This is the July box. Wow, we're already in July. I saw a meme and it was like, it's not June anymore, Julyin', and I laughed. So this is what the inside looks like. They have it nice and padded, which is always good. It always comes with this little card that tells me all about the products inside. There are some promotions on the back to get 20% off Wander Beauty, 20% off pharmacy. I have been very curious about Wander Beauty. I've seen all of those ads for like the powder and everything, so I'm really excited to try product with them. I can see there's one in here. All right, so we're just gonna jump in. I'm gonna pull stuff out of here. So the first thing, ooh, is this an eye cream? They sent us an eye cream, you guys. My favorite thing in the world to get in a beauty box is an eye cream because they are so stinking expensive. This guy retails for $42, which actually for an eye cream isn't that bad. But this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More. This retails for $42. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful. I'm excited, especially because I'm almost out of my eye cream that I have been using and your girl is aging. So anything that's going to help with anti-aging, I am pumped about. I don't feel the need to swatch this because I feel like that's pointless, but maybe just a tiny bit. Oh, girl, it's peach. It just smells like barely anything. It just kind of has like a clean scent to it. I don't know. Oh, I feel like it's literal. This is going to sound weird. Maybe you can see it. I hope you can see it. But I feel like in that patch, like, it's weird. It's like it's tightening the skin. Like, there's something in it that just kind of tightens your skin. Like, you know, there's face masks you put on and it tightens them. So not necessarily to like, oh, completely changing my skin. But I think that there is something in this product that will tighten your skin. So I'm excited to see this on my under eye bags because it does look smoother. Like, I could imagine it feeling firmer. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. We'll see. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. So that right there is $42. It's more than, that's literally twice the cost of the box. So there is a palette. I love when there are palettes in here. This one is from Crown Brush. This one retails for $29.99. This is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. So, oh, this is definitely a me palette. I am down. Look at this. They send so many palettes. I feel like there's been like a palette a month for a while. I haven't really tried much from Crown Brush. Tried a couple of their brushes. Anything I've gotten, those look beautiful. I have gotten in beauty boxes, which I love that. Look at that kind of duochrome one. Can you see how it's like gold and red? So you get 10 shades in here, which is pretty nice. There is a matte brow bone shade, which makes it something better for me. I think I forgot to swatch one, but you guys get the idea. It's a very warm palette. Those shadows look really nice and pigmented. They seem to be very smooth, so I think that they're going to be nice in the eye. And again, like, it feels like a free palette because it's in a beauty box, so it makes it even more exciting. I don't know, but I love shades like that. It reminds me a lot of like the Naked Heat. I mean, it's a Fuego palette, which means, you know, these eyeshadow pans are really big too. So this seems like a really nice deal. It's got a magnetic closure. There is a mirror. I am a fan. This is awesome. And even if I decide not to keep this, if I decide to gift it, because the last thing your girl actually needs is an eyeshadow palette. But for someone who doesn't have near as big of a makeup collection as I do, like, this is going to be awesome. Like, this is a really beautiful palette. Again, of course, I don't know how it's going to work on the face, on my eyeballs. The next thing is by Wander Beauty. It appears to be a mascara. I really like the packaging. I like mascaras in tubes like this. I have an Ico one that I really like. Even though, like, sometimes I feel like these tubes are impractical, like, because you don't get all of the product out. I still like them. I don't know why. I like the color of this. I like the gold. So this is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy. That's interesting. And a glossy mascara. I'm interested to see that. Will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unleashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. This retails for $24. So again, more than the cost of the box. I like the brush. I like brushes like this. I like actual brushes with bristles, not plastic ones. I like when they're curved like this. My favorite mascara used to be one from Stila, which is funny because right now I'm back in love with this Stila mascara. And it had a wand kind of like this, and I was obsessed. So I'm really excited to try this. It looks very black. Always down for trying new mascara, especially because I haven't been wearing falsies as often lately, so always down. The next thing is a blush by Note. Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. This is designed to work for all skin types. Luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks, preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. Love that. It's got a built-in brush and mirror, so it makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for a charmer on the go. Retails for $11.99, so if you like it, that's great. That's not that bad to replace it. First of all, that is so a color that I'm gonna love. It's peachy. Let's use a little bit of it. But as you guys can see right under there is a little brush. I probably will never use that tiny brush, I'm gonna be real, but it's got a little mirror, so that's cool. I've got a lot of highlight on. What's new? Ooh, that's pigmented. Pigmented. Wow. Okay. We peachy. We are. Pigmented blush. Very pigmented. I feel like it's too much. I'm not a blush wearer though, so I'm just going to take a face powder and kind of try and tone it down because I feel like my cheeks are just like pinky. So be careful. This blush is super pigmented if you are as fair as I am. Use a light hand. But anyway, this looks beautiful. I really like that there is argan oil in there because I want to hydrate my skin in any way that I can. Okay, so we've got one item left. This guy is from Cella Beauty, I believe. I like their packaging. I feel like this is another brand that I've seen in a lot of beauty boxes too. This is a eyebrow cream. This retails for $26. What is so cool about this is look at this. This is an eyebrow cream. A cream for your brows. This you pop open is the brush, and then you twist off and catch the bottom. So you just dip it in to the product that's down there. How cool is that? I don't know why I think that's so cool. I wish that I would have used this color on my brows instead of what I used today. It blends really nicely with this little brush. I'm excited to actually try this on my brows. I just think that this is really cool. I'm definitely very excited to try this. I just think that this is cool. I don't know. I like it. It's more compact. You have your brush and your cream all in one. All about it. All right, love, so let's add up the cost of this box because I always like to see what kind of value we are getting. Eye cream is $42 plus the palette, which is $29.99, plus the mascara, which is $24. Then we have the blush, which is $11.99. The eyebrow cream, which is $26. This is a $133.98 value, and then I like to minus the $21. So you're getting $112.98 additional product in this box. Of course, that could be debated. Some of these items you might be able to get like a discount code or use a coupon code on, but for the base price of these products, that is accurate. Yeah, all right, love, so that is everything. Please let me know down below if you like unboxing videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want a tutorial using the Boxy Charm products, if you want it with this box, if you want it with the next box, if I do like an unboxing and tutorial in one. Let me know. I want to know. All right, love, so I think that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I continue to walk. It's not June anymore. July, and I laughed. I totally told a customer about it at work, and I felt like such a nerd because they were like, what? And then she got it, and I was like, sorry, I'm crazy. I'm crazy right now. So say goodbye to Puffy. Whoa, I don't even date videos. Sorry, cat hair up my nose per usual. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens. I can't read. Thick thighs save lives, people. Just caught this in my lap. Lasts all day and night. So jeez, I want to know what you guys want to see. I have mascara in my hair, you guys.